So today, class, what we're going to be learning about is fun.
Hey, what are you doing? Oh, nothing, just drawing.
At Susquehanna in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, they use thermoplastics to make various types of materials on nearly every form of mass transit across the globe. It's what's so cool about manufacturing. Let's go check it out.
Dad, when I grew up, was always in manufacturing, so kind of stayed in the family. And my brothers are all in manufacturing, and there's a lot of work around this area, so that kind of led me to start in that field. I never really planned on coming to Susquehanna. It was never in my plans. I actually went to school for welding. I did welding for a while. I did some construction for a while, and it kind of led me here. And I really like here, and I've been here over 16 years now.
So when I was a teenager in high school, there was a neighbor on his way from work. He would stop and talk to my dad. Listening to him and my dad talk, he would always talk so highly of his work. I always looked upon him as being a successful man and very proud of what he did, and I wanted that. So when I graduated, went into manufacturing.
Your only limitation is your own imagination.
In high school, I've always kind of been hands-on. So in high school, I had a couple classes, so like a drafting class and a CAD class. So I really enjoyed those. And then I also had a plastics class. So it was kind of fabricating, so heating and bending and gluing, and I always did well. I enjoyed doing that stuff. Penn College had a major for plastics, so that I went to school for that, graduated, and then ended up here.
We have the jobs here. People tend to move where the jobs are. And we are a growing company, and we're expanding right here in Bloomsburg.
I like to say we're all pretty close friends. We help each other. The other guys will step up. When we finally get it solved and figure out a solution for the customer or whoever it is, that's the most rewarding part.
Well, it's just a great place, and they're very willing to help you with problems and further your education and good things like that.
I can look back and I can see whether I made a difference or not.
Larissa, please pay attention.